My heart just got stuck between these loops.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and today for this video we are going to do an overview on how to change your low beams if you have the old halogen headlights, and we're going to show you what the prongs are, what it looks like, and how to open it. So let's get started. Hey guys, so the first thing you want to do is start your car, and then whichever headlight you're going first, let's say the left, you're going to want to turn your wheel to the right so we can access the cover for the headlight housing. And then from here on we just get out of the car and access it. Okay, so now once you've turned your wheel all the way to one side, this is our left side of the car, you can finally access the cover for your headlight housing from back here. As you can see, hold on. So we have those two latches on top that you have to actually pull down to open. Then the whole copper would just come off. Alright guys, so these are the two latches. So we're gonna have this guy. It's a little hard. So we got that one. And then we'll do the other side. I think I'm gonna have to curve my wheel a little tighter. But yeah, this is how you open it. See that? And then we have another cover for the actual housing. It's the same as the one for a daytime running light. Okay, I guess that's how far we can curve our tire. So from here, we're just gonna rotate this to the left, and it should pop off just like that. This is your cover. Now we have access to our housing. Hey guys, so this is the inside of the housing. As you can see, we have one of the prongs there sticking out to your left, or in the middle of the screen, one to the bottom right. Should be a fat one on top. Okay, right there. So what you want to do with these prongs is just want to pull them outwards to open it, and then that's how you can take out the whole bulb out. As you can see, I have upgraded my bulb. This is the cooling motor, a little fan to keep it cool. So also, that's the top part. So yeah, you just got 1, 2, and 3 prongs. You just pry it out. You just stick your finger in the middle, really, or in between it. You just pull it out, or on the top of the prong, you just pull down. It should open up. And to close it, it's the opposite way. You just go from the bottom of the lip of the prong, and then you just pull them up and into the light bulb to hold it in tight and to actually hug the bulb. Okay guys, so time to put the cover back on. So it's complete opposite of what we just did. So we turned right for this one, so now we have to start right, put it in, and then turn left. Actually has directions, so that's nice. So you just gotta line up the arrow and the latch, if I can find it while looking at the screen. go. And close. That's it. Give it a little pull. Yeah, that's latched. Now the final piece. You just want to put this in here first, the bottom part. Might have to do it with 2 hands or not. Okay. And then you just want to press this in. Sorry, the light isn't really on our side. It's just a car. Anyways, I don't know if I could tell because it's against the light, but I'm just grabbing the notch, pushing it in. Same for the other side. You should be done. And that's it. Alright guys, so that's how you access the light bulb housing. So if you need any more help, just let me know. Also, if you have bigger hands or longer forearms, I guess you might have to take the wheel off, because I think I've grown a little bit. I could barely access it. So yeah, just put it up to the jacks and then just lift it, take the wheel off. It's gonna be a lot easier, so it's more accessible. But if you could do it without taking the wheel off, just turning the whole wheel, then you should be good to go. So now all we gotta do is straighten our wheel and we should be done for the day. Yeah, it's straight. Hey guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you learned how to find the prongs, what it looks like. I hope you know what it looks like by now and what to look for. Also, if you just choose to curve your wheel, I guess you can't really see what the prongs look like or their orientation, but at least now you have a good idea of where they're at and how they are placed. So yeah, usually if you just take the wheel off, you can see the whole thing, but it's a lot more work. But if you can access it with just your hands and just feel for it, you can feel it. I think it's gonna be a lot easier if you just feel for it. And the prongs, you would just simply pull them, well, not pull them, but like press them outwards, because it's like a little metal plate. It's like this. This is the little prong that's holding the little bracket for your headlight. This thing hugs your headlight. So you want to pull this down and out. And same thing if you are reinstalling your bulb, you just want to pull it out and up, and that should hug the 3 sides of your light bulb. So yeah, it should be a little easy project. Also, we are at 100 subs, so we'll be doing a giveaway at maybe, let's make it fun. Let's do 111 subs. So for the giveaway, all you have to do to win is follow me on Instagram at Erebus F30, be a subscriber to the channel, and that's it. Once we hit our 111th subscriber, we're going to be doing a random generator to find out who the winner is for our giveaway, and then we'll announce it on Instagram. That's it. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. We have a couple more aesthetic mods coming in this weekend, so it's a 4-day weekend for me, so we're going to be doing a couple of videos, and I'll see you at the next video. Thank you.